Let's go. Dead, dead. You guys are dead. Woo! I am almost dead, but I don't want to be dead. I wanna let. Anyone want to challenge? Yep. You guys going to die. Cause dead. Whoa, cause you got to chill right now, or I'll kill you in midair. Yeah, I told you midair. Midair. Yeah, you listen to me right. Midair. Shoot. Man, this game is fun. I hope you like it. You don't like it, I'm really angry. Doll, doll, yellow, 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 yellow. Let's go fast, fast, low. 360, shit, you dead. No! Those are my money. I'm second. Now I'm first. I'm really happy. Kill all the zombies. No, I don't want. I like red color. I actually like blue, but cause if they're red, I like it. Let's go. Go, go, go. Oh no, you're dead, police. Boop, boop. You're dead, police. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. In that, police. Yeah. We did it. We did it. We did it, did it, did it. No thanks. I need $3,000. I mean coins or whatever. New. Kill those zombies. Get defense. Defense. Woo yeah, money, woo. Defense. Get away. Defense. Gotta do that to me, huh? You can't just leave me right here, purple car. I will crash you. And you too, little small blue car. Shit. And you fight truck. And you little blue car again. Maybe not. Hey, I'm going to lose. No, little blue car. No. I lost. Well, at least bonus level. What? What's up, guys? We're back. The end is almost finished, which I'm really happy. Now let's go do this, shall we? Woo! No. Let's collect all these coins. I am going to be rich. Oh, I can go fast now. Ah! I almost died. No, I almost get hit, which makes me slow. Ooh, you black man! How dare you disobey me? And you, and yeah, zombie, wee, yeah. It's a black car. little like me color car. I'm fast. Yeah, let's go. Of course. No. Watch that. We're back. The ad finally almost finished. Yeah, finally finished. I'm fast. Yes, you heard me right. I'm really fast. I don't care what you say. Ugly. Blue car, how dare you faster than me? Oh my goodness, you again, blue car. How dare you disobey me? Oh my god, a blue fight, Rocky. I'm gonna kill you right now. Oh my god, this car again. Bye, dude. You think you can outrun me? You two again, blue car. You blue car again? Oh my. Oh no. No! Stupid. I'm gonna take revenge on you. Excuse. Get all those zombies. I don't get you, zombies. No. Beep that. Beep. That's me. I'm fast. Yeah, let's go. Revenge are on my way. I can do the 360 next time. You guys so. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you, brown car. Huh? Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you, blue and yellow car. Low, whatever. I'm second place. I'm gonna win. Oh yes, I'm gonna win. Yeah. Holy shit, that guy's right behind me. I'm gonna lose. Oh no. No. Oh, me there. Got you in me there. Oh, how dare you! Me there. Oh no, never mind. Oh no. I'm going to lose. No. I'm not. Oh no. He's gonna win. Oh no, he's not. Haha. I win. This whole stuff is mine. Okay guys, this is the last video for today.